25 years ago, two boys sat side by side in a third-grade classroom in Jamaica, dreaming big dreams that seemed almost impossible at the time. They wanted to be pilots. Fast forward to today, and those same childhood friends, Captain Marlon Days and Senior First Officer Choya Ramnan, are living proof that dreams delayed are not dreams denied. For the first time ever, after more than 25 years of friendship, they flew together as cockpit crew for Delta Airlines, commanding an Airbus A320 A321, and fate couldn't have written a better destination, Jamaica, their homeland. From dreaming in a classroom to flying professionally at 35,000 feet, this wasn't just another flight, it was a full-circle moment. A reunion of purpose. A testimony to perseverance, faith, and friendship. Straight out of Buff Bay, Portland, two Jamaican youths turned childhood imagination into global inspiration. Their story has since gone viral, capturing hearts across the world, not just because they became pilots, but because they never let go of the dream they shared as children. Seems like yesterday we were sitting in the third grade in Jamaica dreaming of being pilots. Our first time flying together, and of all places, it's to our homeland Jamaica. Dream big. Captain Marlon Days, this is more than aviation, this is legacy. This is Jamaica. This is what happens when preparation meets patience. Dream big. Stay the course. Chase your dream. Stories like this remind us that where you start does not determine how high you can go. Two boys from a Jamaican classroom. One shared dream, 25 years of perseverance. And a moment in the sky that proved dreams are worth the wait. If this story inspired you even a little, share it with someone who's still chasing their dream. Drop a word in the comments if you believe in dreams, discipline, and destiny. And if you're from the Caribbean or the Diaspora, let the world know where you're watching from. Most importantly, never let time convince you that it's too late. Because if two friends from third grade can one day fly home together as pilots, your dream is still alive too. Dream big, stay ready, chase your dream.